All right, so welcome back to the channel. Just bringing up Friday's performance. I made $392. I made a quick video that I traded Triple Q. I bought them for an overnight play with 150 shares. But then when I was up in the morning, I sold them in the pre-market because in the pre-market they went up. I was down by a point. I had them at like 52.97, and then I decided to sell them at like 52.6 because when I looked at the RSI, it was above 70. So I had a good indication that TQQ was going to sell off. So I took those profits, market sold off, and look, TQQ is down here. So I have a new position of 40 shares at $50 flat, and we'll see where that goes now. But the money that I made was on 1Q, which is the NASDAQ single ETF, and I bought them on the sell-off right here at 52.73, and then I sold them up here around $53. So I made $400, which was nice. So that was a nice gain there. And the reason I bought them was same reason as usual. RSI was 35. 1Q was at 53.5, sold off to 52.73. Saw some nice support here, so decided to try and buy them again here, and then sold them up here, and it worked out. And then there was a nice new low here down right here where the RSI was below, it was 32, and then it went up from 52.5 up to 53. Just giving a quick update. We're holding 40 shares of Triple Q now with this making new lows with the war and inflation and all that fun news. So that holding 40 shares at $50. So we'll see. I'm hoping we get a bounce because when I look at the 6-month, I'm seeing that this is a big support area at $50. So I decided to get at least some shares in the game just to be able to play it. So just a $2,000 position to see where it's going to go. But that's where I'm looking right now, because when you look at the 1 year, it's not looking the best for Triple Q. It's really sold off. I mean, we're pretty much almost 50% from its highs, $90 down to 50. So I figured it's worth a little position, but our next line of support is right here, $43 to $45. I think we're going to get a bounce at $45. So it's definitely something to think about. And just keep in mind that could be a potential area that looking for a bounce. But like I said, let me just try and see. It's over the weekend. Everybody's selling. So I want to see if I can at least maybe get a pop in the morning. But there's like a support level here at $43. And then I just want to add one more so you can see it, which I believe would be a bounce for them, which is right here, which is at $47, where we can see where it broke through to make new highs. So we'll see. I might have bought too high, but it's okay. I'll take the loss if I have to on Tuesday because the market's closed Monday. But just showing my positions, I added more to FSSNX, and my FDR fund is just going down the tubes because Tesla is just selling off right now. But that's just the overall market conditions. It had a nice double top here, and then it sold off. So we'll see what happens, but it's at the EMA again at 856. So if it holds this EMA, it's going to go back up. If it doesn't, we're going to make new lows. So overall market's just down, and even PLTR is really down. So I might potentially start buying some PLTR because if you look at this is the 1 year chart, they're just so sold off. I mean, this is where they IPO'd at $9. So you can see the prices up here. I'm going to start buying them below $10, preferably $9.50. But that's what I wanted to bring up for the weekend. With everything that's going on, you don't know. All you need is one article that says they're not going to war or something, and Triple Q is going to go up like 5-6 points in 1 day. So I want to have some shares just to have a position. But that's my update. 40 shares at $50 flat now. Still made money. We're doing okay. We're up 10,400 on the year. Not bad. Biggest losses in SQQQ and then AMC so far. So limiting the losses, trying to maximize the potential to make money, and that's it. And just take it from there.